Hello, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. After a slight dip in prices last month, Guelph prices have increased in April. Let's take a look at some of the key month-over-month stats for the Guelph and Tri-City areas relative to March of this year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $775,000, which is up by 3.3%. The average sale price per square foot was $511, which is down by 2.3%. The total number of listings was 319, which is up by 9.6%, and the total number of sales was 171, which is up by 2.4%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $735,000, which is down by 2%. In Waterloo, it was $808,500, which is up by almost 2%. And in Cambridge, it was $741,000, which is up by 1.1%. In April, Guelph's real estate market saw a positive trend in home sale prices, rising by 3.3% compared to the previous month, reflecting strong demand from buyers. However, when we look back at the same time last year, there was a slight 2.5% drop in prices. As for new listings, April brought 319 new properties onto the market, showing a healthy 9.6% increase from March. This suggests that sellers are feeling more confident about listing their properties amidst the current market conditions. Although, this increase is more moderate compared to the same time last year, when we saw a 43.7% rise in new listings. In terms of actual sales in April, 171 homes were sold, representing a modest 2.4% increase from the previous month. However, there was a 5% sales decrease relative to last year's sales figures, indicating some fluctuations in buyer activity. Overall, these statistics indicate a dynamic real estate market in Guelph, characterized by rising home sale prices and a healthy influx of new listings. With that said, it's important to note that market dynamics differ significantly when looking at various property types and price segments within the market. If you would like to dig in a little bit further and gain a better understanding of the market segment that you're in, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to break down the stats that are more relevant to you and provide you a more updated view of the marketplace. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.